In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall OneDrive in Windows 11. We'll walk through disconnecting OneDrive from your PC so it stops syncing and no longer runs in the background. This is the key step most people need when they want OneDrive gone from day-to-day use, and it only takes a minute. Start by moving to the lower right corner of your taskbar in the notification area. Look for the OneDrive cloud icon. If you don't see it right away, click the small arrow to show hidden icons and you should find the cloud there. Click the cloud to open the OneDrive menu. This brings up a compact panel where you can get to its options and status. In that panel, click the settings icon, which often looks like a small gear. A short menu may appear. Choose settings from that menu. If OneDrive opens a window and you still see another settings button or tab inside, click that as well to enter the full preferences area. The goal here is to get into OneDrive's detailed settings, not just the quick menu. Once you're in the settings window, switch to the account section. This is where OneDrive manages which PC is linked to your cloud storage. It's also the place to stop syncing if you're preparing to remove OneDrive from everyday use. In the account section, click Unlink this PC. This tells OneDrive to sign out on this device and stop syncing your files. When prompted, confirm by selecting Unlink Account. After you confirm, OneDrive will disconnect from your Windows profile on this computer. The cloud icon will typically change or disappear after a moment, and syncing will stop. A quick note on what happens next. Your files that were already synced remain safely stored in your OneDrive cloud, accessible on the web and any other devices you use. The local OneDrive folder on your PC will stay where it is, but it won't sync anymore. You can move or back up those local files as you prefer. If you plan to tidy up later, make sure you've copied anything important before making changes to that folder. If you ever change your mind, you can reconnect by opening OneDrive again and signing back in. It will relink your PC and resume syncing. For now, though, you've effectively removed OneDrive's integration from Windows 11 and stopped it from running and syncing in the background. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to verify your important files are exactly where you want them before you close out.